how to view apps that uses the most battery on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on battery. After that, we scroll down to the next section. So in here you got the since last charge. So tapping on that, you can choose between since last charge and today. So I'm going to select since last charge because we want to investigate which app uses up the most battery. Now in here, tap on view details, and at the top apps that uses the most battery. You can see here for One UI Home, it uses up 0.8% since I last charged. So that's just since when I last charged. Next is the Samsung Notes, then Chrome. So it goes by the most battery usage to the least battery usage. So from top down. And then at the top here is a graph that's showing you your estimated battery usage and how much is being used since it was last full charge, or since last charge, sorry. Now if you tap on the drop down, you can select today. So since today, One UI Home uses up 1.1% of my battery, and Chrome uses up 0.7%. And that's it. So that is how you can view and monitor your battery usage and battery activity on your device. Now if you select use by the day, you can select the day on the top here. So the 6th, the 5th, the 4th, the 3rd, and the 2nd, and so on. So in here you can see on the 2nd, the Contacts app uses up the most battery on my device, 4.1%. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.